I'm Todd Utsman here with Airstream of South Florida. As most of you may know or may not know, we are a division of North Trail RV right here in Fort Myers, Florida. And I'm excited today. I'm not here to talk about just any Airstream. I'm not here to talk about the Globetrotters, the base camps, internationals, classics, and so on. I'm here to talk about a brand new one, brand new production. And yeah, we have one right here on the property, open for you to come in and take a look at. It's called the Trade Winds. The Airstream Trade Winds is a 25-foot, not only is it a 25-foot off-road travel trailer, it's also an off-the-grid or boondock travel trailer. It has got its own power plant. It's got 810 amp hours of lithium batteries by Battleborn in it. It also has 600 watts of solar. It's got a 3-inch lift kit from with Dexter torsion axles, and of course it still has the shock absorber on every wheel. This is really made to go off-road. And it's got another neat feature. It's got super aggressive tires, so if you are pulling it down a greasy fire trail, or up in the Midwest we used to call them 2 tracks, hey, it's going to track straight behind your 4x4. And that's important. You don't want to be losing things out there, especially your Airstream. You come around the back, it is an option, but it's a great option. And I'll try to remember all the options, but this one I'm remembering because it's right in my face. It's this, the rear hatch. That rear hatch on an off-road unit like this, you can throw your gear in, whether it's cross-country skis, fishing gear, hiking gear, backpacks, mountain bikes, whatever your love is, this thing can handle it. And it comes with this nice screen. May not show up so great on video, but it's here. And yeah, so when you're looking at that beautiful sunset or the river going by or the mountains, and dusk is hitting you, the mosquitoes aren't touching you, you got a screen to keep them out. When we make our way around this corner, a lot of the things some of you might be used to, this has the new spark plug. It's an awesome plug. No more trying to get those threads to fit like all the new Airstreams. This is standard on it. The power cord comes with it, and it's a smart plug. In fact, it's even got a code read problem. If you're having a problem, a lot of times it can identify it's the pedestal, it's not your unit at all. So this is a great feature. Wanted to point that out to you. Just like all the other RVs out there, the utility area, your showers are always on the opposite side, away from the patios. You know, you got to have these hookups, but you don't want them where you're going to sit outdoors, relax under the awning, and wind up with a muddy area. So you got your outdoor shower here. It is hot and cold water. You got your portable water here. It's got a lockable tank to keep people from messing with your water. It's got your city water hookup and your black flush for the black tank. It also has a separate gray tank. And while we're talking about toilet tanks and holding areas, I did forget to mention inside, and I'm famous for that, there's another option I didn't talk about. This unit, if you want and would like to have it, has the option of getting a composting toilet. I myself wasn't 100% on board with a composting toilet, but I did my homework on this, and I just recently got back about three and a half weeks ago from Airstream factory training. That composting toilet's a pretty good system. It's very efficient, and it's not got the ick factor that a lot of people might think it has. So do your homework or reach out to me. I'll be happy to talk to you about it. It is a great option for that outdoors person, is the composting toilet, and then you don't deal with the flush toilet and the holding tank. All right. Has a lot of features. Keep in mind, I know the majority of you guys that are going to buy them, guys and gals, I shouldn't say guys, the majority of the people, it's got the same flip-up cabinets that you would see on a flying cloud, with one addition. They've latched them so things don't go flying out as you're hitting some rough spots off-road. And not only does it have that, it also has that option of a microwave convection, or if you don't want to even do that, draw on your Battleborns, you can get it with the gas oven. Remember, when I said it's good for off-road, you don't need a generator, you don't need a pedestal at the RV or campgrounds. Its battery system can run the AC for you, which is a 15,000 BTU, anywhere on average, depending on the climate and how you're using it, from about 7 to 10 hours. There's some tricks to it here. You come on in and I'll go over that with you, and I know you can push it to about 12 hours before you might need to shut that air back off after a good night's sleep. and let the solar catch that system back up. And as we make our way around, I did want to point out the fabric here. This fabric is super durable and it's very easy to clean. In fact, the batteries you'll see are underneath it. So underneath this area here is where the batteries are stored. They're not outside, they're not under the axles, they're not in the elements. They're right inside the unit where they're protected. Of course, this, like all Airstreams, still has the aircraft aluminum across the entire underbelly. We don't use wax cardboard with Airstreams underneath, and we don't use wheat barrier fabric from the do-it-yourself centers. And to go along with that off-the-grid or boondock system, it does have the 8 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator. Gets down to about 34 degrees in about 30 minutes. Keeps your ice cream, and your ice cubes. That's important to someone like me, so hopefully it is for you too. We're going to make our way in the back. I want to talk about the bedroom here. This one has the queen bed, which is a very nice feature. With the smaller Airstreams, the beds are up against that front. This doesn't come off but maybe about 10 to 12 inches, but it's enough for you to get around, make your bed. And it also has a nice safety plug. If you have somebody needs a CPAP machine, plug it in. This thing runs all night with full power, like I said. Come January, Airstream's going to be manufacturing these with the twin bed model also. That twin bed model is a great addition to this, and it is not an additional charge. They just came out with the queens first, as these are brand new on the market, just getting out there right now. So come January, a little over a month from now, the twin beds will be starting to get manufactured as well. So you'll have the option of queen or twin, but this one's here right now. I need you to come in and take a look. We'll make our way back. You'll see that this has another one of those great large bathrooms on a 25-footer. Nice feature, and like all of them, it's got curtains at both ends of the bathroom and shower area for privacy. You have a curtain here, and you have another curtain over here, so you can block this off for an entire year shower bathroom area. And before you come out of the bathroom area, I want you to see the HEPA filter. This does come with the 15,000 BTU. That's the largest at the present time AC available. I promise you, it can freeze you out of this. Also has a heat pump, but if it gets below 45 degrees, that heat pump won't come on. It'll automatically switch you to the furnace. But it's a great system. I think you're going to like this. I want to invite anybody who's available or not available, find a way to be available and get down here to Airstream of South Florida. We have a great inventory, and we're standing right now in the all-new Trade Winds by Airstream. I'm excited to show it to you and have you come in and browse. I'm Todd Utsman. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. If you like the video, like and subscribe. Airstream of South Florida, Division of North Trail RV. Thank you.